What's up, guys? We're in Asakusa. One of the most popular places for tourists to come visit is Kaminarimon and Sensoji Temple. We're gonna go ahead and walk through and show you Nakamise Dori at the same time. So come with, let's go check it out on this virtual live stream. Virtual tour. Here you go. Got the Sensoji Temple right on front, and all the people, the touts, asking if you want to ride the Jin rickshaw and or try on rental kimonos. As you can see, very busy day with all the tourists taking their photos with the giant paper lantern. On my left and right, we have the wind and thunder gods, Kaminarimons, and right in front of me is the Sensoji. No, not sorry. Right in front of me is the Nakamise Dori. Let's go check it out. Let's get into this crazy crowd and see what it's about. Another one? Gotchas? So the night boat ride is all sold out. So the closest one that's gonna happen is gonna be at 1. So we're too it's too early, and it's gonna we're too late kind of. We'll just do the train.
It's in there.
The next boat, the last boat is at 3:13, which is 1.
If you have more choices, can you change my tent?
Yeah.
Hindi na naman tayo makakasakay ng boat.
Yep. Too late again. Anyways, we're here late. But yeah, this is Nakamise Dori, guys. Some shops also have like buy 3 for 1,000.
Yeah.
The Asakusa Donkey Hote here, really good.
You should look more.
You should look around first. There's this is a lot,
Yeah,
and
we
this
need to come back here.
this place over time has become a little bit more
We need to
pricey
go
because
back
it
there,
became a popular
Going to
tourist
his side
district.
place.
And right over here is Nakamise Dori.
Dad, look at your son. He looks like he knows what he's reading. Look, it's looking at her.
Wow, Mikhail, what is that?
Let's get a surprise.
Surprise, one more. Okay, later. I changed my money, okay?
Alright, so this is Nakamise Dori, guys. Jumping into the comments, we got Joseph R. What's up, Mark? What's up, Joseph? And we got Riri, Lance, and Laura. So big now, man. Time flies. Hey, punks, enjoy Japan. I think that's Rafi. What's up, Rafi? Let me go 0.5. Yeah, everyone's saying hi. Rafi's on the chat. Oh shit, I'm not supposed to film. No photos allowed.
No, there's more ATM.
I don't know how long I'll do this live stream. It's kind of too crazy right now. We're kind of late for everything because we were actually supposed to start earlier, but again, just random times. This street over here is Nakamise Dori, very famous. Most of these shops here have been owned by generations of family members. Generations, they re-own they're not re-owned, but they own this stuff. Family generations taking care of these shops here, straight all the way down. Also, like I said, one of the most famous tourist districts here in Tokyo that you're gonna see a lot of people come visit is Asakusa's Nakamise Dori Sensoji Temple and Kaminarimon.
Is this
The back? No, that's the pagoda. You're gonna see it over there. The 5-story pagoda. Yeah, that's that one. Did you guys take pictures of that? This is the Kaminarimon. Yeah.
Ay, hindi ko tumitingin mo.
And guys, Raph said hi. It's Raph. Rafi. What's up, bro? Hey, Raph.
Let's go.
We're here in Asakusa. Today's Ella's birthday. We're celebrating it here. It's pretty cold today. Alright. So, since we have a little more time now, we can actually go check this whole area out. And then try to again find the but just check out we have time. We're just gonna go straight here. Alright guys, Let's back into this. There's also all these like cool street market, street vendors, food vendors, and so forth. The only thing about it is over time, they don't like you taking photos or videos of their stuff that they sell, their merchandise. So we're just gonna live stream, walk through all of this quickly instead of, you know, go into great detail. Yes, they even have like handmade, I think they're called tabis. I forgot what their slippers are called in Japan. What you looking for? What? Which one? This one is more like souvenir stuff. This is more popular for tourists. That's why you see so many people. Yeah. And just down this way, if we take this way, and or the next left, is Hoppy Street, where they have all these drinking bars. Hold on, they're over here.
Yeah.
That's the crackers, the real. Here, look. They can put the seasonings. So usually I would make vlogs of this place. I have tons of vlogs of this place. So if you guys want to check out the Japan playlist, you'll probably catch different virtual tours of this and me actually going into detail, touring you guys around. This one live stream is just a random one, just checking it out. They're back there. Weather is really cold today. The weatherman, of course, always lies. It was said to be supposed to be 50s, but it's actually I think 30s, 20s for today. And this morning was, I think it hit 6. Really wild.
Ice cream, please.
No ice cream, please.
Tingnan natin sa menu para
Look at this shirt. So these shirts are like about $25, $28. It's a bit pricier, but there is cheaper places just because this is a tourist district more of. These are really cool hats. I would like one of those, yeah. All right. I think we'll do this live stream for Nakamise Dori till probably Hozomon. The Hozomon gates is the 2 black balls. Hozomon gates just down there, and then I'll end it. Maybe I'll go all the way to Sensoji Temple, who knows? Or we're just gonna go up to Hozomon Gate. Or I might end it soon because it's kind of getting crazy. Looks like the matcha ice cream, sorry. You're lining for the matcha ice cream. You're gonna get matcha ice cream?
No, the twist chocolate.
Huh?
The twisted chocolate.
Ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Gusto ng anak ko eh. Ayan
Okay.
siya. Yes, what is it?
You're gonna eat that? Interesting. Funawa. Look at that ice cream. I'm just over here in the crossroad. Look at all these people here enjoying Tokyo. All right, my lips are getting crazy. It's cold, but yeah, I'm gonna end the live stream here, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Who knows? There's not gonna be any vlogs for this trip, just live streams. But yeah, thanks. Peace. I'm out.